Today we're going to learn how to navigate the owner's manual on your mobile device using the My Porsche app and also in the PCM. There are a couple different places in which you can access the owner's manual while you're on the go. One is the PCM and the second is here on your mobile device. Select the My Porsche app, Vehicle Details, and then Owner's Manual here on the right hand side. You have the choice to download vehicle and charging equipment. Select Vehicle and then Download. Take a little bit to download depending on your signal strength. There we go. Now there's a number of different ways in which you can navigate here. You can search directly just what you're looking for, or you can go into chapter overview and search by category. We'll say driving assistance and then active lane keep. And here you can see the operating principles, how it's shown. There's a video here that will show you. Additional details, system limitations, and controls. All the information needed to get you up to speed on that particular subject. You can also search the subject here at the top. There we go. And it will take you directly to that particular subject within that category. You can also use interactive overviews, say for instance if it's something on the exterior of the vehicle. You can see that as well. If you like video instructions, you can search those here. And it has a similar breakdown as the categories. You can also check bookmarks and history, as you can see here. I've bookmarked the charging process, but you can also look at last viewed as well, some of the things that you may have looked at before. If you would like to bookmark a particular subject, you just select that subject and select this icon. Let's check out the owner's manual in the PCM. To access the owner's manual on the PCM, you'll just slide until you see the owner's manual tile. Select it. Much like searching on the My Porsche app, you can search here at the top. Okay. And it will take you to that particular section. You can favorite a section here by selecting a star. And it will show up here in favorites. And if you'd like to add an additional favorite, you can do so there. You can go through chapter overview, which takes you through each of the individual sections. Say for instance, we wanted to see something about driving assistance. Maybe active lane keep. And here you can see all the associated information with active lane keeping and how to operate it in your vehicle. In addition to that, it also has warnings and limitations for this particular system. If you would like to watch a video on operating principle or other system functionalities, you can do so here. Let's go back. You can also look at warning and information messages or videos. We can get back to that same particular area, active lane keep, and it will show a video on active lane keeping. If you don't know what a button is or a feature or function in your car, you can look at overview graphics and get a better look. Mirrors, head-up display, instrument cluster, or other information you may be looking for. You now know how to navigate your owner's manual on the PCM and also on your My Porsche app.